A 3-day camp English for volunteers concerning the preparation of the Kazan Federal University volunteers concluded in Kazan on the 3rd of December. 100 main assistants of University 2013 organizers were taught the skills of English and special terminology. All the lessons were being held in a game form. The English for You tutors sure that it is the most effective option. According to Tamara Ivanova, English for You tutor, there are 8 themes in the course: volunteering, accommodation, transport, sport, food, host city volunteers, medicine, and international relations.
Today's topic was how to give directions correctly to the guests of University 8. We also have evening events in English, we play games in English, we watch English movies, and we have fun in English.
The game form of the education is also in priority for the volunteers. Mafia had Crocodile, watching films, all these things are in English. But according to Lydia Starikova, there was excitement before the very exam.
It is very hard, I think, but it is strange for me and for other students, I think, because it's we inside the real situation with real people who don't understand Russian, and it is great, I think.
The girl admitted that she prefers to be an attaché at the 27th World Summer University. The experience of this function will give her language practice, new friends, and expanded horizons. Irina Igarenko, Kamil Ismailov, special for Kazan 2013.com.